The afternoon rally reached 64,100, and the one label it begged for is the label the rules refuse. This morning's update executed both broken floors on closes and moved the working count to wave 3 of the decline, running from 65,744 at the top of the correction. The leg kept working into the afternoon, a new low at 62,742, 317 under the overnight print, 3,002 points from the origin. Measure it against wave 1 and the decline is precise. 93% of the first wave traveled, and the low stopped $214 above the equality target at 62,528. Then the character changed. From that low, the market rallied 1,357 points in 3 hours, straight through both of the floors it had broken overnight, and tagged 64,100 before the sellers came back. Here is the rule that decides what that rally can be called. In an impulse on a cash market, a fourth wave may not enter the price territory of the first, and wave 1's territory begins at 63,740. 64,100 sits $360 inside that territory. So, whatever the bounce felt like in the moment, the fourth wave label died the second it touched the zone. There is a second disqualification at the smaller degree. A fourth wave cannot retrace past the origin of its own third, and this rally ran 431 beyond that pivot. 2 labels offered, 2 labels refused. What remains is a second wave inside the decline. So, it audits as wave 2 of 3, and a second wave answers to retracements, not territory. The ruler, shallow line 63,889, half 64,243, golden 64,597. The top ran $210 through the shallow line and stopped $143 short of the half. 45% of the leg retraced and the tape gave nothing more. On the closing standard this channel uses, the reclaim lasted exactly 2 candles. 2 closes above the old floors, then the next hour gave $446 back and settled under both again. Zoom out once and the month keeps its shape. The high of the move sits untouched at 66,956. The decline from it has run in 2 legs, and this week is building the third. Nothing that happened today reached any level that changes the weekly reading. The primary path follows directly. While the half at 64,243 caps the bounce, the decline stays working. Equality at 62,528, then the extension at 60,540. The alternative is measured, not feared. Through the half and the golden at 64,597 the correction deepens, and only 65,744 ends it. One card for the evening. Below the half, 62,528, then 60,540. Above it, 64,597, then the origin. The roof has not moved. So, the day ends where the rules put it. A second wave under a half line, not a fourth wave over a floor. Educational analysis, never advice. When that line breaks, in either direction, the next count is here.